And tonight I am going to do burgers. So it's a Saturday night and I'm just going to do turkey burgers. So I got the turkey. And if you guys are new to the channel, if you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, please know that I do appreciate you guys. We're going to jump right into it. I'm a little tired today. We had, you know, a couple of, my kids had parties to go to, volleyball practice, baseball practice, etc., etc. So, this is FYI. So this is how I season for my actual burgers. I have the turkey, and then I have onion. I even put bell pepper in my burgers. I tried this last time, and kids loved it, so I'm going to do it again. And this time I'm just going to do it on so you guys can see it. And of course I'll get their reaction at the end of it. And I just put this was like a half an onion. And then 3/4 of a bell pepper. But I'm not going to use all the bell pepper because, you know, to me bell peppers can be, you know, can overpower the meat. So I would say I put about 1/4 of a bell pepper in there. Then with the salt, you're going to do salt and pepper to taste. And I just grind up some salt. And most likely I'm going to put the garlic powder on once I get it into the skillet. So I'm going to just put some black pepper. That's what the initial ingredients are going to be. And then I'm going to take my hands and I'm just going to mix this up old school way. Nothing like your hands. You're going to be cooking. You got to get your hands dirty. So I'm going to do that. Yeah, I'm tired today. This is a long Saturday. But blessed to see it. So I'm not going to complain. Just mix it up as best as you can. You want to get it as really incorporated so that I've done onions and did my onions this way and actually cooked them inside my meat for many years, and it's always been like something's about this burger is really good. But something made me the last time I said let me try them with bell peppers, and the kids was like, well, what kind of burger is that? And my daughter don't really like burgers like that, but she liked this one, and she was okay with me making another burger tonight. So that says a lot. So I got the meat. I got it all incorporated in the meat like that. And you can always do your onions smaller. I just, like I said, I'm in a rush tonight, so I'm going to do what I can do. Do what I can do. And you know, honestly, we try our best as, you know, moms and wives and all of that. So we try our best, and that's good. That's good enough. So we're going to cook the meat for 7 minutes on each side. And I just noticed that because I make my patties pretty thick because, again, I'm feeding teenagers. My son's like theirs pretty thick. My daughter like hers fairly thin though, so I'll do a separate bit for her. So she's ready to eat. They're ready to eat. And this time it's not too late, so let me see. It's 7:55 my time, so Central Standard Time. So we won't be eating too late. And plus we're not gonna go to bed early, so I think we might stay up and watch a movie or something. I don't know. But either way, we're gonna have these burgers. I'm just gonna do chips with this tonight because again we are in a rush. I will show you guys the final. And you guys, I'm trying something new. So if you got comment below, I would appreciate it if you let me know that the quality of this video versus the other videos I've done. I have ran out of storage on my device, so I'm not really sure how to use this new device as it pertains to the YouTube. So I'm trying something right now. So you guys let me know quality. If you've seen my other videos, let me know if these videos look better or not. And if you can't tell, just say that too. So then I'll know. So I got 4 burgers here, 4 patties. The heat is on medium. And y'all know I'm on my faithful burner, side that I never really interchange it. But let me wash my hands off, and I'm going to get the garlic salt and onion powder and all that. I put all that on my hamburger, so hold on just a second. You guys know what I told you guys when you cooking, make it easy for you on cleanup. If you run a thing of dishwater, and just be kind of prepared, because you're gonna wash your hands throughout anyway. So it says you go wash your dishes and make it much easier for you in the long run. In my house, it's never nobody's dish day. You know what I'm gonna do? Make this really simple tonight. Because I'm tired. I'm going to do the Lowry's garlic salt. This is all, if you use this, it seasons pretty good. So never had a complaint on this one. I'm gonna sprinkle it. It's not a lot. It's barely coming out of this thing. I think I have it like halfway. I have it turned up so high. I'll just sprinkle it with this layer, and that will be. That's all the seasoning I'm gonna put. This salt and pepper. That's it. Because this is salt, has salt in it as well, and this is literally garlic and salt mixed together. So we're gonna do it, and I'm gonna only season this one side because I put salt and pepper in. We don't want it overpowering. I just want a nice burger. Spatula out here. We're gonna let this do what it does. With this leftover meat, I may make a little meatloaf for the kids and just add my extra, like my egg and all the other stuff. And if I do, I'll come back on here just so you guys can see it and let you guys know. So while these burgers are cooking, what I'm going to do is make sure that I'm cleaning my toppings off. So I have a lettuce and tomato here in the water, and you guys know how I clean my vegetables. And I always do baking soda and a little vinegar in it, let it sit in water. And I do that like 10 minutes or so. Well, while the meat is cooking, I'm going to be working on the vegetables and slicing up the tomatoes and things like that. Actually, I'm the only person who actually wants the lettuce and tomato. None of my kids really care about that. They do if it's getting it from a restaurant, but when I make burgers at home, they don't really care about the lettuce and tomato part. So we shall see. Okay, so I will be right back when this is done. Okay, so my battery's about to die, but when you're doing the cheese, when I do my cheese, what I do is I slice the cheese. I just do slices of cheese. I put them on top of each patty, and I cover it back up with foil. And that's how I melt my cheese onto the burgers before I'm able to take them out and actually put the entire burger together. So that's gonna, this heat little lock in. This actually have a little holes here, but it'll be enough to melt the cheese down. So that's how you get your cheese melted, and we'll put the burger together and be right back. Okay, so now that the burgers are finished, have a test taster. Okay, so let me get my son. Just take one bite and just let the people know how the burger tastes for me. Real quick. I got a little cheese melted and everything. Hurry up because my camera about to die. Good or bad? Good. It's good. Tell the people thumbs up, thumbs down. All right, we got another.
For real.
For real, for real? He said 2 for reals. Okay, so, okay, you guys, thank you for watching. If you want to make this burger, like I said, I put the ingredients inside, and if you follow me the entire time, you know exactly all the ingredients. And we understand that we appreciate you guys. If you're new to the channel, if you could go back and he's waiting on his plate. Go back and watch the video from the beginning. I would appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you're in the room when we're in the room for the next recipe. Okay, thank you guys so much.
No, that's good.
That's real good.
So I would let Mama make the food.
No, you didn't say that.